season for fresh green peas is here again, and I'm going to show you how to store them all year round. Hi guys, this is Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the step-by-step process of how to store green peas. Start with peeling the green peas. Make sure there are no bugs or insects in it. They look like such beautiful green pearls. Some people are so obsessed with green peas in the season, they actually sieve them to get rid of the uneven sizes, and then they add it in whatever recipes that they're making. Next step is to wash them. So you can wash them under running water or just soak them in normal water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add them in the water. Just rinse them. Let them soak for 2 minutes. While these green pearls are soaking, I'm going to boil some water. So in a pan, heat lots of water. Sugar also acts as a preservative, so it helps in keeping the green peas fresh for a long time. And now into this, I'm going to add in the green peas. Just drain them out from the water. Add them in the pan. Just let them boil precisely for 2 minutes. 2 minutes are up, turn off the gas, and in a bowl take some cold water and a few cubes of ice. Remove the green peas from the hot water and drop them in this ice cold water to cool down immediately. Let the green peas cool down in the cold water, and the next step is to pat dry them over a napkin. And let them dry completely for at least a good 20-30 minutes. Make sure they're dried completely and there is no moisture, and the best way to store them is in small ziplocs. You can store it in an airtight container, but I prefer storing them in a ziploc because it prevents icing. Make sure there is no air in the ziploc. Similarly, let's fill in another bag. Let's keep them in the freezer. So you all saw how easy it was to store green peas in the freezer. They're good for 6 to 8 months. There are lots of recipes on the channel with green peas like mattar paneer, aloo mattar, gajar mattar, and even mattar pulao. You can check the link in the description box below. Do give these recipes a try with these frozen green peas and let me know how they turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.